Hey y'all, this is Ursula, the hobby container gardener. So y'all, it's Thursday evening. I am back out here trying to do this potato harvest before it gets dark. I want to do it tonight because we're supposed to be getting some rain in, and um, the bag has not been watered for a couple of days, so it's not gonna be all muddy and mushy. It's mostly dry, but I want to go ahead and get this harvest in before the rain comes because then the bag is going to get all wet. And I do not want to harvest those potatoes in a muddy bag. So I have this, hopefully to have some nice potatoes. And I have some scissors. I'm going to go ahead and cut the tops off so I can roll this over and see what's in the bag. All right, y'all. I'm going to push y'all down so y'all can see what I see. All right. That's the bag. Now, y'all, I did plant these the beginning of February. And they did great. But for some reason, they have died back. I'm not sure if it's because potatoes are ready or if something else happened. But we're going to see what we get. And I can use this bag to plant some of those sweet potatoes that I have over on that side. So hopefully we get us a good harvest, but yeah, this is what most of the leaves are looking like, y'all. So, but I better hurry because it's starting to get a little dark on me. And like I said, it's kind of cloudy because we're supposed to be getting a little rain in overnight. And y'all, this bag is too heavy for me to be lifting up and putting anywhere. So let's roll it over. All right. Loosen up some of this soil. Okay. Yeah, y'all know I'm reusing all of this soil, right? So let me pull it back so y'all can see. All right. Here we go. This bag is heavy. Oh, y'all, I'm starting to see some potatoes roll out. Oh, y'all look. Y'all look. Y'all see that? Whew. All right. These some nice sized potatoes. Really nice sized potatoes. Oh, y'all, they're rolling out, y'all. They're rolling out. Let me not rub them too hard because I don't want to rub the skin off of them. Y'all, look at this. Nice. Got a couple of little ones on here. All right. I may come back and get the tiny ones, or I may just let them go. let's see. All right. We got another stem. Oh, they're rolling out. Scratching this one up. I might have to use that one. There are a couple of little ones. A couple more. All right, y'all. So, oh, there they go. There they go. All right. Couple of small ones. Couple more small ones. Okay, this looks like a seed potato. This is not. Some nice ones, y'all. Alright, let's see. Oh, they're still down up in here. That's a decent sized one. Okay. Now this harvest is turning out better than I thought it would. I really and truly didn't think that the potatoes were ready, and actually they could have possibly gotten a little bigger, but because most of the stems were dying back, it was time. It was time. So let's see if that's it. Now y'all know I'm going to reuse all of this good old soil. I think that's a sweet potato. Alright, let me see if I could move some of this soil over here. So I can get to the bottom. Alright. A few more little ones. Two nice sized ones hiding underneath. And a baby. I thought that was the sweet potato, but that's not. Alright, y'all, I think that's it. Do one more check. Whew. One more check and then I'll show y'all the final harvest. Okay, lighting is starting to get bad, y'all. Yo, look at this. This is an awesome harvest. Oh my God. Whew. All right. I'm sweating now, y'all. Shirt all pulled up, out of order. Whew. I'm sweating now. But I'm so happy because of this potato harvest. I just knew it was too soon. But that goes to show you how much I know. All right, let me show you guys one more time because I'm going to just kind of dust some of this soil off these potatoes, and I will put them away so that they can dry. So hold on. All right, y'all. This is my potato harvest. Not too bad, y'all. They have some nice sized potatoes in here. So I have 4 more bags of potatoes. Yeah, my light just went out behind the shed. Those are not ready. I recently planted those. This was my experimental bag that I planted up in early February. So, yeah, happy about the harvest. The other 4 bags are still growing. They're still looking great. They probably have about another month and a half to 2 months to grow. But in the meantime, I will enjoy these. All right, y'all. Let me go. No, you know what? Before I leave, I just wanted to let y'all know what I grew these potatoes in, just in case if you're thinking about growing potatoes and you haven't started them yet. So I used about a third of some old soil that I got out of a pot that I previously grew something in, about a third of new soil, and about a third of compost. So I added bone meal, blood meal, potash. I feel like it's crawling on me. Muriate of potash, and I also added some soil acidifier. I already had them for my blueberries because you know they love acidic soil, and I read somewhere that potatoes love their soil to be somewhat acidic. So I don't know if all of that has given me the harvest that I have, but that's my combination of items that I use to grow these. So yeah, y'all, it's getting dark. I better head on inside. But I am so hyped. I'm so excited about these potatoes. Y'all just don't know. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Y'all stay safe and be blessed. And if you can, drop you some potatoes. You never know. All right, y'all. Let me take these gloves off so I can hit the stop button. Have a good evening.